Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist pjgudz, and the radar is pretty dry this afternoon, just dealing with a couple of heavier showers up in the North Georgia mountains that has since started to push out of our area and out of Rabun County. Just dealing with a couple of light showers over here towards Gilmer County on the southeast side of Gilmer towards Ellijay. But other than that, that's all we're seeing right now, and that has prompted our temperatures to warm up to the 90s this afternoon. So we're at 90 degrees here in Atlanta. 94 up towards Calhoun, also in those upper 80s towards Blairsville. And then tomorrow, I want you to be weather aware because we have some strong storms that are going to move through the area. So as we look towards lunchtime, this is the energy that we're seeing. Everybody's in that high energy range tomorrow for the thunderstorm activity. And as we go into the evening hours, that's going to stick around with us as we go towards rush hour tomorrow afternoon. And then going into the evening hours, it pushes to the east just a little bit. And then it starts to wane as we go into the overnight hours on Thursday going into Friday. And that has prompted this Storm Prediction Center to put us in a level 2 risk from all the way from Mississippi up towards North Carolina. And that does include the entire metro Atlanta area from Rome down towards Carrollton, Atlanta over towards Gainesville and Athens, and also down towards Lake Country tomorrow. And here are the severe risks. So as we look, the high range for heavy rain, so we could see some flooding tomorrow, damaging 60+ mile-an-hour winds, and definitely going to see that lightning as we go into the afternoon hours tomorrow. And we can't rule out a little bit of hail with the storms that are going to start to roll through. So looking and timing this out, Thursday morning, we're going to have those partly to mostly cloudy skies, maybe a sprinkle here and there in the North Georgia mountains. And we're going to stay dry as we go through the morning hours on Thursday, and then as we go towards lunchtime, we're going to start to watch this line that's over towards Alabama start to make its way to the east as we go into the early afternoon hours. And then here we are by 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, all this red and orange on the map from Blairsville to Calhoun down towards Carrollton. This is during rush hour tomorrow, so plan accordingly as you go out tomorrow and head back home from work, because this is going to push right through the heart of Metro Atlanta going towards 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon from Gainesville over towards Athens and down towards Griffin. And then that's going to stick around with us for a little bit as we go through Thursday evening into the overnight hours, maybe a couple of heavier downpours up in the North Georgia mountains. But as we go into Friday, that's going to start to wane away as we go into the early morning on Friday. So as we look at your 5-day forecast, we have a 70% chance of rain tomorrow with a high of 88 degrees. Early tomorrow morning, we're going to be dry, and then that pushes through in the afternoon tomorrow. Friday, a high of 91 degrees and a 40% chance of rain, and then a little bit of a pattern change as we go into the weekend. We're going to be a lot drier with highs of 93 on Saturday and 93 again on Sunday.